Hey guys, today we are having a look at Czerny exercise number 1 from Opus 599. Now this is already quite a big difference from Opus 453, which I've done just before this video. As we can see here, we have phrase lines and the melody is a lot more simpler, but because of those phrase lines and as well as any dynamic indications like mezzo, forte, and it also says in Italian there to rest your fingers as well while you play, meaning that we are going to play with a nice relaxed hand posture and we are going to make sure to rest our fingers on the notes as we play. So let's have a look at the right hand first, starting on C, phrase, phrase, repeat, second section, very easy, no movement in the hand at all. The left hand starting on middle C, broken chord, harmonic support, repeat, phrase, a loud and soft movement. Second section. Remember that phrase. And then repeat. Phrase. So very easy, but the phrasing is especially important because we are going to have to make sure to bring out the melody and the harmony support by doing our phrases. And remember to lift up after each phrase. Just lift up to make a small break. It's not supposed to be legato all the way. That's why we have those phrase lines there. Putting your hands together. Repeat. Second section. Repeat. Phrase. Now I'm playing this extremely fast, but when you look at the note values, it is minims and semibreves or whole notes and half notes, meaning that you can really count out while you play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Focusing on resting your fingers on the keys. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Phrase. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Softer. 2, 3, 4. And so on. So remember, take it slow, count the values, count your note values. It's a good exercise in counting as well. It is the start of the exercises, so it is extremely simple. But again, make sure that you understand the basics, the phrasing, etc. before moving on to number 2, which is all variations on the initial exercises. If you don't do these correctly, you will struggle with the rest as well. If you found this video helpful, please check out the other Czerny exercises